Hi friends, welcome back to Angular tutorial. So we have got idea about property binding, event binding, class binding, style binding from our previous video. So if you don't see this video, link are given in the description section. So today we're going to learn about some advanced binding, that is the two-way binding. Basically we will use the two-way binding every time when we will create any Angular application. Okay, so this is small video but useful video, so please see the full video. So this text is actually coming from main component, that is the app component, and inside the app component we are getting the app component.html. so from this we are getting this output. So basically two-way binding used to pass data from component to view and view to component. So basically this is the view, that is app component.html, and this is app component.ts file. This is the main component file. So basically two-way binding helps to communicate with component and view bidirectionally. So we will pass data from app component and we will use this in HTML, and from the HTML we will pass data and we will use from app component. So that's simple. So I want to give you simple example to understand it more better. So here I want to create a text box. So I want to use the app component.html to create any text box. Suppose I am creating a label, that is enter text, and here I am writing input type text. Okay, so this is the text box. So if you go to the browser we can see the enter text. Okay, and now I want to type something into here and it will go to the app component.ts, and from the app component main file it will print the output. So how we can do this? So here we need to introduce new things, that is the ngModel. So we need to define the Angular model. So inside the third bracket, and we need to write in the first bracket we will write ngModel. Okay, and suppose the model name is text. So you can write your own name. Okay, so here I am writing the text. So basically we will create a properties with the same name in the app component.ts. So mind it, we don't need to write duplicate name from all over the application. So here I am writing the txt. So we cannot use this txt for any others model. So here the Angular model is txt. Okay, now the property is txt. So we will get the value from the HTML file and we will accept this, and we will print this value from the HTML. So we will pass this from the component file and we'll print that things from here. That's the reason we are calling this as two-way binding. So just use the h1 tag to print this. Okay, so just use inside this here. Okay, and for this first we need to use the Angular from modules. So we need to import this. So anytime when you need any modules, we need to use inside the app module.ts, that is the main module for our Angular application. So just write here. So we will import the Angular module. So write import, and inside the import just import the forms module. So here we will write forms module. Okay, and where this is the module is from the Angular forms. Okay, so just write here Angular and select this Angular forms. Okay, so now Angular forms are imported into your app module.ts and we need to use this. So how we can use this? So we need to import into the import section. Okay, so just add the comma and use your forms module. Okay, so now if we go to the browser we can see the same things, and now start typing. So here I'm writing Angular tutorial. So you can see how this is coming. We are typing this in the HTML file. This is the HTML file, and these value are getting into the app component, and after the app component we are getting this into the HTML file. So this is the two-way binding. Basically it helps to communicate with component and view bidirectionally. So this is the most important things in Angular application. So we will use every time these kind of things for dynamic application. So this was a small video but tricky video. So please comment if you have any queries about this video. So next day I will going to discuss about some other things, that is the conditional section. So we will learn if else part, switch case things, and then we will step by step go to the loop section. Okay, there are Angular loops. So step by step we will learn each and every topics of Angular. Okay, so don't miss the upcoming video. So please like and subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.